In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload your signature in Zoho Books. First things first, you'll need to navigate to the settings. To do this, look towards the top right corner of your screen where you'll see a gear icon. Give that gear icon a click to open up the settings menu. This is your gateway to customizing various aspects of Zoho Books to suit your business needs. Once you're in the settings menu, we're going to focus on customizing your PDFs. Under the Customization section, you'll see an option for PDF templates. This is where we'll be heading next. Click on that, and you'll be taken to an area where you can adjust how your invoices and other PDFs look and feel. Now, let's move on to editing your invoice template specifically. You'll see a section for the Invoices module. Here, you'll find all the different templates that you have available. What you want to do is hover over the template you wish to edit. As you do so, you should see an Edit option appear. Click on that, and it will open up your selected template for editing. With your template open, the next step is to enable the signature field. You'll find a menu on the left sidebar. Scroll through until you find the Other Details section. Give it a click to expand it. As it expands, you'll notice a subsection called Document Summary. Our focus here is to find the signature option. When you see it, make sure to check that box. Doing this will allow you to add your signature to the invoices. Now that we've enabled the signature field, it's time to upload your signature image. Look beneath where it says Signature Image. You should see an option labeled Upload Your Files. Click on this to begin uploading your signature image. Choose the signature image file from your computer that you want to upload and follow the prompts to complete the upload process. After successfully uploading your signature image, you'll need to provide a signature name. This can be the name of the signatory or any descriptive name you prefer. It's a small but important step to ensure everything is labeled correctly for future reference. Finally, once you've checked over everything and are satisfied with the changes, it's time to save your work. In the top right corner of your screen, you'll see a Save button. Go ahead and click on it. Congratulations, you've now successfully uploaded your signature into Zoho Books and customized your invoice template to include it. This adds a professional touch to your documents, ensuring they reflect your brand accurately. With your signature now part of your template, each invoice or document you generate will carry it automatically. A small but significant enhancement to your business communications. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.